So, watching the video with the water all over the garage, you may be thinking, you have a home automation system. Sure, you have a leak sensor. Fact of the matter is, I do. It's the Samsung SmartThings Leak Detector, but this failed. Been having a lot of problems with Samsung SmartThings. So what I'm going to do is I'm getting rid of this, sort of like that, and I am now going with the Aqara water leak sensor. I've got a few of their devices already. They haven't let me down yet. Should be an easy swap. You can see it's got a 2-year battery life. It has easy installation. It runs off of Zigbee. I'm going to open it up, show you what it comes with, and I'm going to have it paired to my Home Assistant so I can start getting notifications, and hopefully that leak in the garage never happens again. Or it will, but at least I'll get notified before it gets too bad. So opening up the package, pretty simple. You've got your instruction guide, the device itself. It's like a coin battery for the most part. All you need to do is put it on the surface of where you want it to go, pair it, set your automations, and that's it. I'll be running with this for a little while just to see how well it does, and if I have any issues, I will let you guys know. So one thing to note from this, after playing around with it for a bit, in order to pair it or to reset it, you've got to press and hold this down. You get a flashing blue light. And if you want to replace the battery, you've got this little indentation. You unscrew it. Standard coin battery. All in all, I got it incorporated into Home Assistant. If I get any leaks, I should get notified. Until the next one. Thanks for watching.